Hello my dear friends, welcome to this quick overview on this dressmaking video tutorial that I just launched a few days ago, in case you didn't see it. So the dress looks just like that. It's a symmetrical dress with just one side seam, and it's reversible. You can use this part as a front part or the back part as a front part. The difference only will be how this pleats or folds will be located from the like left side to the right, or from the right side to the left, like if you turn it. This project is very beginner friendly. The pattern, the main pattern, is identical for back and for the front part, and both details are cut together on fold, so it has only one side seam over here goes, and it doesn't have any interfacing, like adhesive interfacing, any darts, any like vertical long seams, so that the top part you see just overlocked and just folded with a very soft fold. You even do not need to iron the top line. So only the challenge will be with these pleats, but if you follow step by step with the tutorial and you transfer how I show the pleats from the pattern to the fabric, you cut it exactly how I show, and you fold it, you will find it very easy. It's very simple to do it, and for the next project with the pleats you can also use these techniques as well. The sleeve cups is just straight lines, and the armholes, I mean not actual armholes, but this line where we install sleeves, almost a straight line as well, except a few types of fabrics where we need to do it like slightly curved. I will also show it in a pattern, and we'll explain it why in some fabric we need to make it slightly curved for the armholes. But a straight line of the sleeve cup is very easy to install. So if you're just learning how to install sleeves, how to work with the sleeves, it will be very easy for you to do it as a first project. To choose the correct size, you will need basically only two measurements, one for hip circumference and one for arm circumference, and the widest part between elbow and shoulder, to check it with the pattern. And also you will need to double check the length, that the desired length of the dress and the length of the sleeve that you want to make. Also, you can, if you don't want to make such a long sleeve, you can make just like a little kind of like a cuff, yeah, like a double like folded fabric, and install it along of the armhole. The recommended width of the fabric for this dress is 58-59 inches, or in centimeters it's 145-150 centimeters wide, because this detail, you see the main detail of the dress, will go exactly into like within the width of the fabric, between sides of the fabric, edges of the fabric, and to the folding line. So it will exactly lay into the width of the fabric. If you choose more narrow fabric, then I also explain in a video how you can adjust the pattern to move one part like above or under the pattern, under the main pattern. So entire tutorial includes PDF patterns, main detail, just one, is symmetrical for back and for the front, and second detail is for sleeves. Also, it includes PDF sewing sequences, like written step-by-step sewing sequences, PDF sketch, or it's called flat sketch of the dress. Also, it includes the scan for assembling the pattern details into one when you print it out. And about 1 hour of video tutorial, and it's like about 58 minutes of video tutorials on 4 different topics. First is for choosing the correct type of fabrics and the correct stretchiness of fabric, and also this video actually will be helpful for you for choosing stretchy fabrics for different projects. I'm showing you different like stretchiness between knit fabric or woven fabric. Like for example, this dress you can make from woven fabric, stretchy like this one, or you can make it from knit fabric. And I'm also explaining how to choose the correct size of the pattern and how to choose also the correct fabric. the second video, how to prepare fabric for cutting, how to cut pattern details. The third video, it's the biggest video, how to sew step by step. You basically can do it with me. Just put it in a pause when you need, complete each step, and then continue. It's about 27 minutes. It will take for you, if you will do it just straight with me, like about 1 hour, this part. And the fourth part, it's the last one, is for hand-stitched blind hem. For the bottom line of the dress and also for sleeves. So the dress looks like that from the front part and from the back. Let me show you. So as you can see, no side seam. So very easy. So basically you have one side seam and two shoulder seams. This is the longest seams, and also sleeve seam and installing the sleeve into the armhole. Okay. And on the back it will look just like that. Also like folds, forming like soft folds on the back. You can also adjust, you see the opening over here, of course. You can, if you want to make it more close, you can stitch the shoulder seam a little bit longer. So the main like idea of this design is to make your dress sitting firmly at the hip area, in this area to be more loose, to form the soft folds around this part of the dress. So the link to this tutorial is in the description to this video. It's it's located on a Google Classroom platform, so you will only need a Google account to access all the video and all the materials, all the PDF materials. So I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you have any questions. In the class also you have comments area, so you can ask questions. I will get notice right away, and I can answer it to you also right away. So looking forward to see you in your new dress.